our YouTube channel.
It's Fed.
And Mal, and for today's YouTube video, you guys,
We decided to count our whole slime collection because we
Yes.
literally have the biggest
slime collection ever.
in our head. We do.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you have a bigger slime collection than us. I don't think you do.
I don't think so.
We literally are gonna figure out if we have a lot. How many do you think we have? I think we have
Like 100.
100.
Let's get on to counting.
Let's get into the counting. Okay, guys. So this is our slime drawers. So are you ready to count now?
Yeah.
So this is the first drawer, and it's time to start counting. Are
Yes.
you ready, Mal?
Yes.
And go, 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 go.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
12,
13. Oh, this one stinks. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Okay, these are so many.
Oh my god. 20, 22, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
32.
30. Okay, so now we are on the next drawer. Are you ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, wait, 36, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, faster, faster, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. We don't have 100.
Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video, guys. If you guys all enjoyed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and
turn
turn
it
on
on to all. But before we leave, comment down below what slime shop we should shop from and do a little haul. So comment down below your favorite slime shop that we should shop from. But
Till next time, bye guys.
Make sure to go subscribe to the Fern Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.